Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to check your purchase date on an iPhone. For that, first off, let's open settings on the iPhone and head over to General and then tap on AppleCare and Warranty. Here you can tap on your iPhone and check the coverage date. The purchase date is exactly 1 year prior to the coverage expiry date. The other thing that you can try is head over to General and then head over to About. Here you can copy the serial number of the iPhone by long pressing it and then head over to Safari or a browser of your choice and then type in checkcoverage.apple.com and then type in checkcoverage.apple.com and hit go. Tap on AppleCare and Warranty and paste your serial number over here and hit submit. You will find the exact purchase date of your iPhone along with your coverage expiry date. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.